almost done with my matcha dreamer journal. I started it in October and we only have a few more pages left, but that's okay because I can use one of the new ones that are launching this month. Good morning, guys. I need to find a way to set up my camera just in my room. That's currently where we're at. You're sitting on my little chair in the corner. But today's vlog is my first day in the life, my first vlog in the new apartment. I moved in this weekend and it's Tuesday, so I have slept here 3 nights so far, but this is the first day where like things are pretty much put away and I'm not working all day. So this morning I decided to sleep in a little bit and have a nice slow morning. So it's 9 a.m. Feeling a little bit anxious because I know I got stuff to do today, but I told myself I was gonna work out today and we're gonna go try out one of my apartment's little private workout rooms, which I'm really excited for. Yesterday, Jimmy helped me hang this TV. Mom helped me. We got the mount on the wall and then Jimmy helped me put the TV up and oh my gosh, I love it. I've never had a TV in my room, so being able to watch YouTube in the morning or Netflix at night is so nice. But yeah, so today we're going to be doing a little bit more organizing. Our Wi-Fi install comes in, grocery shopping, stocking the fridge, stocking the pantry, and also getting some work done throughout all of this as well. So come along for a very exciting day in the life. First one in this new apartment. Now let's go work out so I can feel good about the rest of the day. We have one of these little Echelon mirrors. My old apartment had one, but not in a private fitness room. So this is so nice. There's a mirror on this wall. We got weights here. Let's see if my account still works. Shower right after my workouts, like immediately. I have to, but the AT&T guy called me and said he can actually do my appointment now and he's on his way over in like 15 minutes away, so the shower's gonna have to wait. But then we're gonna get our Wi-Fi set up, and while I'm waiting I'm just doing some work, planning out my meals for the week, and that will be good. And then I'm trying to decide if I want to go to the office and get work done first or go to Trader Joe's first, but that is now the plan. Trying to get the most out of this bathroom space. I put my makeup brushes in this container, and then I have this container for like more everyday hair and body products, all my other stuff back there, because I have like a lot less storage in this bathroom. We got my everyday makeup here. I'm gonna have to hang these shelves that Skylar just brought over for all my like cutesy skincare stuff. This is kind of random. And then this is my hair drawer with tools and products, and my Dyson's over there. And my like not everyday makeup is over there as well. We're making do. Okay, the Wi-Fi installation guy took a little bit longer than expected. About 3 hours, and it's now 2 o'clock, just got done. We ran into some problems, but we got Wi-Fi now, so all is good. But sitting there for 3 hours, just like doing work on my computer at the kitchen counter, honestly, was good. I got a bunch of little things done that needed to get done, but I did think I'd be out of the apartment earlier than this, but that's okay. The worst part was not being showered and sitting there for hours. I felt so gross and just wanted to wash my hair, but I don't know if I'm gonna blow dry my hair. I mean, just let it air dry while I'm out running errands.
He said, suddenly it's like, no, we cared about Ken this whole time, like, because he said that he didn't think people cared. Already moving, so yeah, he wasn't like a top priority, and we just, he's really lost his fucking mind. I felt like, really,
Hi, can I get a grande oat milk, brown sugar, shaken espresso, please? Thank you. We're getting a little Starbucks because we got, like I said, we got lots to do. It's 3 p.m. We got to push through this afternoon, evening. So we're going to get some Starbucks. Thanks so much. Have a good day.
It's gonna be crazy. Like the sample size, like what? No, mine's really niche. Was it the place by my house? Like another club. It's not a chain.
We're here at the office. I've been drinking my Starbucks and editing a bunch of TikToks, but I need to plug in my phone. I'm actually the only like tenant here right now. It's 4:30, but everyone else has gone home for the day, like in surrounding offices, so that's kind of nice. Also guys, look what's behind me. I can now show you my inventory shelf because we have unboxed the new Dreamer Journal collection, the Cottage collection. I'm gonna do a whole video kind of on the making of it. We're doing an influencer launch event and showing you the behind the scenes of that. So it's gonna be really fun, but I am so excited for these new journals. They're a little bit different than others. Like for example, they have an embossed, you can't see it because it has the wrapping, but they now all come with a belly band, which is super great, especially for wholesale. And they also have embossed, just saying Dreamer Journal, so it's a little bit softer. I am so excited. Again, I'm gonna talk more about these in future videos, but if you're needing a new journal, a blank line journal for summer that also has some pages at the beginning to help get you started if you're new to journaling, these are for you. And you guys were so nice on Instagram yesterday. Like my post announcing the Cottage collection got like over 50 comments of people just saying they're so excited, they love the colors, they love the branding, the imagery, which just means so much to me, because if you have a business or even like work on a project long term, you know, like you're looking at this, like I've looked at these colors since February, I've looked at the pictures for a month to 2 months, like it's not new to me anymore, so it's not as exciting. But posting it yesterday and hearing everyone's thoughts the first time they saw it inspired me more and made me more excited. And I also need to pack an order for a wholesaler. She ordered 4 of each color of the student workbook, so I'm excited to get these sent so she can put them in her boutique. Nashville traffic is why I try not to do anything like out in Nashville after 4 p.m. driving wise, because this drive is taking me like 30-40 minutes to go. Not very far. It's almost 6 o'clock now, so great. But no, I'm gonna go get groceries and we're gonna make a yummy meal, because I actually haven't cooked like a real meal in over a week, which is crazy to me. I've just done like heat up food, quick eats, cereal for dinner some nights because I've just been so busy with moving. So it'll be nice to like have a real meal that I cook. So that's what I'm telling myself. These are so cute. Errands are done. Trader Joe's, Target, gas. It's an expensive but necessary evening. That was altogether like over $200 spent within an hour, not even. I feel stocked up, you know, we're good to go. We just got home. My counter's a mess. Got groceries. It's 7 p.m., which is really late for me to be making dinner. But that's okay, because we're gonna be up for a little bit, working, organizing. I think I'm gonna make like this chicken sausage skillet that I saw Michelle Reed post this morning. I'm not gonna make it exactly the same because I don't have all the ingredients she used, but like bell pepper, tomato, chicken sausage, which I already had, olive oil, and rice probably is what I'll do. So yeah, we're gonna make that super quick and continue on with our evening. Really good. I just added garlic and salt, and I wish I had more of a sauce, but honestly it was good. I was so hungry, and we have a little lunch ready for tomorrow. Okay, we're gonna open up my large book box and set up the floating shelf. I'm so excited. This is like one of my favorite furniture pieces I've ever bought. Alright, I set up some, and then I'm going to leave these top few shelves open for Skylar because I want her books to be on here too, since she also lives here, and this is like right next to her door actually. I think it looks so cute. Okay, we're going to set up now my bathroom. I have a few different things. I don't know how much energy I'll have for it tonight, but I'm also going to make a cute little TikTok, I think. So we're going to open this up and you'll see the behind the scenes of me making this TikTok. Does this look bad? Honestly, maybe it doesn't. Don't mind the stool, but I realized this was a little bit shorter. Yes, I should have measured the floor to my shower rod before I bought a shower curtain, but sometimes we're just not thinking ahead like that. So, does it look weird that it doesn't go to the floor? I'm also wondering if like it'd be cute, because I really do like the shower itself. Like, it's so pretty. If I got like a little tie, I just want my bathroom to feel like a spa. If I like tied it back or just left it open, actually, I feel like that looks better. And I was gonna hang these skincare shelves, and I got this little bath hook that I'm gonna put right here for my towels, and I felt so good buying an actual like matte black hook that will match the other towel racks instead of using like a command strip on the wall. So I'm excited to have my towels right there next to the shower. So that's what I got at Target. But I just don't think I'm up for it tonight. I need to get in bed and do some editing while I watch TV. That's what I've been looking forward to all day. Closing shift time. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm like a little kid. I am so excited to have a TV in my room. I do need to get some cord covers, and I put this thing here because I thought maybe that cute thing I saw in Target today, I cannot think of the word, like footstool type thing, would look so cute under my TV. It's $100. I don't need it. Oh, we gotta set up my Wi-Fi. Anyway, I was testing it out with that poof from Target to see if I liked it. Guys, I think I'm losing my eyesight. I've been editing here. It's 10:30 p.m. I need to go to bed. I have to go wash my face still, and then I'll read, but I need to go to bed. Been editing, watching the Kardashians on Hulu, the new season, and I'm just trying to stare at my computer and like read, and things are getting blurry, and I just think over literally just the past year, my eyesight has gotten worse just over the past year. But I've never had glasses or contacts or anything, so maybe I need to start wearing my blue light glasses again or something. Okay, on that note, we're gonna end this day in the life. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm sorry, it's just kind of random and crazy, but hope you guys enjoyed this first vlog in the new apartment. I'm really excited to continue to vlog here. I'm excited to edit this and see how the footage is looking and see what I need to tweak for future ones. But I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or whenever you're watching this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.